Hey guys, so today I'm going to attempt to make this Haitian marinade. This is actually a collaboration with the wonderful Miss Lise in the kitchen. I will leave a link to her channel on my description box. Please go check her out and let me know how I did on this recipe also. Okay, so over here I have my red peppers that I already chopped up, and I also have my garlic. Then I have my parsley, and I end up adding a little bit more parsley because I'm gonna tell y'all later. But then I have some scallions, and I also have the Maggi cubes, and also I used 2 habanero peppers because I really like heat, and some olive oil. So okay, so over here I'm just adding all my ingredients to my food processor bowl, and I probably should have used a blender because she did use a blender in her video, and I will tell you all why later. So we're just gonna mix this all up, and I also added my habanero peppers and the Maggi cubes and all that good stuff in there. And now I'm gonna blend this up. Oh my god, y'all, wata de pasgari. Oh my gosh, it is supposed to be green, y'all. I don't know what I did wrong. I think it's the habaneros. This thing is like a brownish color. It is nowhere near green, and I don't know what I did wrong. I'm still trying to figure out, like, maybe I didn't blend it enough. So this is exactly what it looks like right now, and I hope, I've never tasted this marinade, so I don't know if it affects the taste or anything like that, but this is how mine came out. So let me know in the comments below what you think I possibly did wrong, and be sure to go check out the real recipe on Lise in the Kitchen's channel. Please check her out, and also check out which one of my recipes she decided to duplicate. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and I'm looking for honest feedback. Like, I really want to know what I did wrong. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.